In a small, bustling town, there was a family known for their immaculate home. The secret behind their pristine and hygienic bathrooms? BRAZOS toilet cleaner. Chapter 1. Discovery of BRAZOS. One day, Mrs. Sharma, a meticulous homemaker, stumbled upon BRAZOS toilet cleaner while browsing through her favorite online shopping site. Intrigued by the rave reviews and impressive ratings, she decided to give it a try. Little did she know, this decision would revolutionize her cleaning routine. Chapter 2. The power of BRAZOS. The moment BRAZOS toilet cleaner arrived, Mrs. Sharma eagerly put it to the test. The first thing she noticed was its powerful cleaning action. A single application left her toilet sparkling clean, effortlessly removing even the toughest stains. Not only that, but it also emitted a pleasant, fresh fragrance, transforming her washroom into a sanctuary of cleanliness. Chapter 3. Unmatched quality and versatility. BRAZOS wasn't just any toilet cleaner, it was a branded marvel. Its amazing washroom cleaning capabilities extended beyond toilets to sinks, tiles, and even bathroom floors. The versatility of BRAZOS made it a staple in the Sharma household, suitable for both Indian and Western toilet sheets. Its reputation for the highest performance in the world was well-deserved. Chapter 4. Essential for every home. As Mrs. Sharma continued to use BRAZOS, she realized it had become an essential part of her cleaning arsenal. Its hygienic properties were unparalleled, killing infections on toilet sheets and ensuring a germ-free environment for her family. BRAZOS met the basic needs of cleaning for her home, offering the best quality and performance in India and the entire world. Chapter 5. The hygienic promise of BRAZOS. The health benefits of using BRAZOS toilet cleaner were profound. It provided a hygienic situation for the entire household, preventing the spread of harmful bacteria and infections. This made it a trusted ally in maintaining the well-being of Mrs. Sharma's loved ones. Chapter 6. Features and feasibility. The strong features of BRAZOS toilet cleaner made it a feasible choice for every household. Its powerful cleaning action, branded quality, versatility, and hygienic benefits set it apart from other products in the market. Users were delighted by its performance and reliability, making it a must-have for anyone seeking a spotless and healthy home. Chapter 7. Captivating the audience. BRAZOS toilet cleaner captivated the audience with its compelling features and proven track record. Testimonials poured in from satisfied customers who shared their positive experiences. The product's attractive data and remarkable performance resonated with people, building trust and loyalty among its users. Conclusion. The faith in BRAZOS. In conclusion, BRAZOS toilet cleaner emerged as the ultimate cleaning solution, combining power, quality, and hygiene in one package. Its story of excellence and reliability created a strong faith in the brand, making it the preferred choice for families across the globe. Subscribe, share, and comment on the channel BRAZOS at GYR to join the journey of unparalleled cleanliness and hygiene with BRAZOS toilet cleaner. Thank you for choosing BRAZOS, the world's best toilet cleaner.